and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making chicken katsu curry, the signature dish of Wagamama. So stay tuned to take this delicious journey with me and don't miss out on the taste test. This katsu curry is comforting, filling and flavoursome, and now we can make it all at home. So let's have a look at what you will need. For the homemade chicken katsu curry sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 garlic clove and 2 pieces of ginger crushed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 300 ml of chicken stock, but you can also use vegetable stock, 100 ml of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar to taste. And for the dish, you will need 1 cup of rice. I will be using white basmati, 2 chicken breasts, 50 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 100 grams of panko breadcrumbs, and some vegetable oil for frying. Chicken katsu is also known as panko chicken or tori katsu and is a Japanese fusion dish. So let's get started. Step 1. Fry the finely chopped onion, garlic and ginger in vegetable oil on a low to medium heat until soft. Step 2. Now add your spices and cook on a low to medium heat until fragrant. Now add the flour to the pan and cook it off a bit until it's thick and silky. Step 3. Add the stock bit by bit, stirring as you go. Then add the coconut milk. Now add the sugar and soy sauce and allow this to simmer. Chicken katsu curry was introduced to Japan by the British in the Meiji era and is considered to be a Western cuisine. Step 4. Now strain the sauce through a sieve to make it super smooth. Step 5. Coat the chicken in the flour, then in the egg, and then in the panko breadcrumbs. Step 6. Fry evenly on both sides until cooked through and crisp. The British love chicken katsu curry, thanks to it being served at Wagamamas since it opened its first site in 1992, and its popularity continues to grow. Step 7. To serve, generously heap the rice onto a plate. Then cut the chicken into strips and add the fried chicken with a little dressed salad on the side. Liberally pour the curry sauce on top. And you can garnish with some black sesame seeds and some spring onion. I'm so excited to try this. Well, time for the taste test. Wow, this is so delicious. I can't believe that I made this. Really, really good. Wow, what a great recipe. A definite must try. Well, thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes from chain restaurants in the UK. See you all soon. Goodbye.